Ciao. Anyway, so
Hi everyone, so day 26. First of all, I begin to feel way better from my flu, and that's amazing because that it was really strong actually, and we had a lot like high fever, and now I feel way better. Still tired a little bit, but still feeling getting better and like getting my strength back. Like that's good because I don't like to be like sick. But for the meditation, again, yesterday I made an evening meditation. I didn't listen to guided meditation. I listened to the music I listen every day, and I focused on my chakra, and I just like having a deep breath and focus on each chakra from my root chakra to my top chakra, and until I fell asleep. For my sleep pattern, again, I feel like it's getting like better and better each day, and I have more like the quality and the depth of my sleep because it's getting better. That wasn't me. I was just like waking up every like couple of hours or every hour, and I had difficulty to fall asleep. But now I can sleep easily and wake up really like awake and feel. Even with my flu, I feel when I wake up like very fresh and awake, and even like I feel like I don't need coffee to wake up. That's a great improvement in my sleep quality, so it's a big like notice in my life again. And for my morning meditation, I just finished my love meditation for Sadhguru again. As usual, become a routine in my life, which is good actually. If you try this meditation, you will know what I'm talking about. But overall, I feel so happy and feel so amazing. Even with my sickness, I feel wonderful, and I feel like I enjoy life even I'm not doing anything at home. So still enjoying life and still feeling so happy, and my current reality began to shift a little bit to the way that I want it to be. But I'm not gonna rush anything. It's just like leave it. I'm just like as I said for myself. I said it before. I said, okay, universe, surprise me. I'm ready to be surprised. I'm just saying this word from like a couple of days now, and I feel that the universe will surprise me in a huge way. And I feel it in my heart, and I'm really certain. I'm not thinking about something that's like specific, to be honest, but I just like letting the universe to surprise me for my past, and I know as I keep working on myself, I keep working on my well-being and my energy, and taking it higher and higher, and that will take me to that like destiny that I really want in my life, even if I don't want it specifically, but I know the best is like coming. So let's go to the next day and see how things go. Bye.